All right. So today in this webinar, we are going to backtest Aussie USD in a higher time frame to lower time frame. That how you can trade. So let's see. And also, I'm going to start from higher time frame, like 1 hour and 5 minute combination, because very few people are trade in a 1 hour time frame and 5 minute time frame, because most of the members trade in a 15 minute and 1 minute time frame, because and sometime some people are not able to trade in a smaller time frame. Okay, so 1 hour time frame is a medium time frame and everyone can apply. Also you can trade. Okay, so this is our part in a like bearish to bullish and again bearish. So which part you would like to backtest in this scenario? You can also untrade. Which pair, which part you would like to backtest here? Anyone? Okay. Bearish and bullish. Okay. Okay. So this is our like bearish in this structure, and this is our bullish structure. So you can apply anywhere like bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. You have to follow the same principle, same rule, that structure mapping to confirm any higher high market must be taken out the inducement, to confirm lower low market must be taken out the inducement, and simply you have to take entry after taking out the inducement for buy or sell. And also if you are willing to trade a counter trend, then market must be create a break of structure and then wait for lower time frame fake chalk, and then wait for real chalk and then enter as per our trading plan. I also mentioned in a trading plan everything, so you don't need to worry. If you don't know, then you can check out a video course section. You will find that how trading plan actually work. And also you have to watch part 18 and 19 where I cover all about a internal structure, that how you can trade. Okay, so in this section you can say what happening here. In this case you can see this is our bullish market structure here. If market momentum is a bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. Main thing, taken out the liquidity, taken out the investment, and then you can trade. So first of all, mark the structure in this case. So this is our entire ranging market. This one is a ranging market. Okay, there's no clear structure, everything trading in a range, right? So first of all, you have to check from top of the move. This is our highest move here, this one. Okay, this was our previous higher high. Break this one. Higher low, higher high, higher high, push downside, break the structure, push downside, and chop. Because in this case, there is no inducement taken out. Okay, and after that, what happening here? Let me start from. Oh, okay, first of all, mark the structure. So this is our new lower lows, lower high, break the structure, lower lows, taking out the inducement, lower high, push downside, again lower high, break the structure, and this process will be continue here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you through bar play. Okay, so this is our previous structure here. You can see This was our previous boss was here, but there's no inducement. So actual boss is here, and this is our chalk. So when market break the main low and market close below it in a higher time frame, that's called chalk, right? And this is the structure chalk. And now you can see here what happening here. You have to wait for it taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, definitely you can sell. So where is inducement here, right? So price can be must be taken out this one, and then you can take entry for the sell, because market momentum is a bearish. So in this case, what we can expect? We can expect if market taken out the first day of fake chalk, and then you don't need to buy or anything, right? You have to buy after taking out the inducement. Okay. Simply, you can see this is our higher time frame inducement. If market taken out this inducement, then you can buy here. And I'm going to show you in a 1 hour time frame first. There is no like chalk confirm here, chalk confirm at this point, right? IDM is wrong. No, sir, this is not IDM wrong. This is a correct. And this is a higher time frame, right? So let's see and wait for it. Market taken out this IDM. So after taking out the IDM, which area you should take entry here for the like buy and sell, right? There is any PY here, right here, everyone. Yes, correct. This is a minor IDM here. Exactly, correct. Sorry. So after taking out the inducement, where you should take entry here for the buy and sell, and where is your PY here? Okay. So this is our like minor ADM here, and this is our PY when up we can take entry for the sell, right? This is our first PY when you can take trade for the sell, first PY, and extreme most this one is a much high probability, right? Because this is an internal move between this candlestick. So I will choose this one also, and this one is our hidden supply demand. And so hidden supply demand actually this one, because this is a pullback, something like this, which taken out the liquidity and push downside, and this one act like a hidden supply, right? Okay, so let's see what happening here. All right, so in this case, first of all, you have to check where is our like a you can say like extreme engineering liquidity, whatever we call this one, because this is our last extreme pullback before this order block. right? This one and this one, we have a 2 PY, right? First one and second one. So if a first one is a failed, and probably we are willing to buy till this one at least, right? But market momentum is a ways, and we are planning to sell here. So how you can deal in this case? First of all, you have to wait for it. What we can expect here, and what scenario you have to apply here in a higher time frame first. Okay. There are so many possible entries here for the sell. Let me show you. First thing is here, if market, this one. For example, if market broke this low, right, and taken out this inducement and create any single candle order block here, then you can take entry here for sell, right, till this one, right? And the next one is here, if market not create anything here, single candle order block or anything, and continue pushing higher high to mitigate this one, and then you have to apply the same thing, taking out the inducement and then sell till this low. So this one is our probably sell here, right? Let me show you. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, there is no inducement. This one is inducement create here. You have to wait for it to taken out this one or mitigate extreme PY. Okay, market broke this low and create new structure here. This one is our break of structure here, and this point become our lower lows and lower high. Right now, you have to wait for it to taken out this inducement, and then we can trade here. So where is our inducement, and when we can take entry here? Okay, inducement, perfect. No, sir, this is a not inducement which you mark on a extreme. Sorry, in a first point. This one is not inducement because this candle taken out the liquidity, but market continue going higher high, not broke the low. That's why. Perfect. After taking out the inducement, generally we are planning to sell here. First one is here. Right, market taken out the inducement and create something, any single candle order block or mitigate any PY, then we can take entry here for the sell. So market just taken out the inducement, and after taking out the inducement, what up we can expect here? We can expect, we can see here, this one is our single candle order block, right? Here you can take a direct entry here, right? If you are willing to sell here. Also, you can take additional confirmation like 5-minute time frame, then you can take entry here. In this case, only one PY here on an extreme. This one. Correct. Exactly. Okay. So first of all, if you are willing to sell or like directly here, then you can take entry simply on based on a 1 hour time frame and put the stop loss just over it. Yeah. Till this low. And again, switch here in a 5-minute time frame for refinement. And actual order block is here actually. Yes, sir. This one is correct. First entry. And this one is our next entry here at this point, and put the stop loss just of it, and target similar happen here. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Mitigate your extreme PY and hit your final target immediately, right? And this entry is based on inducement sweep and create a single candle order block and then take entry. Okay. Also, you can refine into lower time frame and then you can enter here, right? Now, again, you have to wait for it to take out the inducement, and then you can take another entry. Market continue pushing downside right here. It was candle closer. So if this is a candle closer, then also you can take entry, but you need a chop or flip confirmation simply. Okay, but setup was valid. Main thing, taken out the inducement. If inducement taken out and create a sweep, then you can take entry based on like a single candle order block. If not sweep, candle closer, then you can also take entry, but you need a chalk or flip confirmation. If you wish to based on chalk flip, like chalk. Okay. Mitigate your PUI and sell. Okay. Now again, switch here in a one. Now again, switch here in a 1 hour time frame. Again, you have to wait for taking out the inducement and then we can sell here. So where is inducement and when we can expect an entry for the sell? Next possible entries here. We have to wait for single candle because of Venus in the. Yes, sir. Look here. This is an interesting thing here. First thing, this one is our break of structure at this point. Yeah. And after break of structure, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. So where is inducement here? And where is our unmitigated PI? Everything is mitigated. There is no unmitigated PI. So in this case, basically you have to wait for taking out the main high or low, or wait for SCOB, and then you can enter. Also, you can take chalk flip confirmation in a lower time frame as well as. Can we use fib level? No, sir, I don't use a fib level. The last H1 idea was close, no sweep. No sweep also work. I mentioned if candle closer, then you can take entry after chop or flip confirmation. If sweep, then also you can take entry direct single candle order block. Okay. So let's see. After taking out this inducement at this point here, right here, there is no unmitigated PY order block or shadow anything after taking out the inducement. So next PY is here, means next possible scenario if market sweep this high, and then you can take enter here for the sell. So this is a two way. Okay, we have a two choices. This one just liquidity grab here. So if market grab the liquidity, then you can trade on a two-way. First one out of single candle outlook. Next one is an aggressive entry based on candlestick unmitigated upside. Which one is here? Right. Okay. Yes. This shadow act like our PY. Yeah. Okay. Also, if you wish switch here in a 5-minute time frame at this point, then you will see this point is a grab the liquidity and create a single candle order block here. Right. So if you are willing to sell here directly at this point, but you have to put the stop loss just over it for the safer side, because this candle taken out the main liquidity. That's why this is important. In this case, you don't need to wait for inducement because higher time frame grab the liquidity here. Okay. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. Our target is higher. Yes, sir. Our main target is main higher time frame, main higher low. Taken out the liquidity, push downside, break even when market took the first pullback in a higher time frame. Sorry, in a lower time frame and a higher time frame in a both scenario. This is a chalk. Exactly. This is a chalk. But there is no clear order block. That's why we are not interested here for sell. Okay. Right. So finally market hit our target point at this point here. So simply you can see when market sweep the higher low, when market sweep the inducement, then which criteria you should follow here before the buy and sell. This is a simple. चौक का वेट इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि स्वीप किया है और सिंगल कैंडल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक के बेसिस पे एंट्री बनी हुई है यहाँ पे, इसलिए अगर कैंडल क्लोजर देता है इंड्यूसमेंट पे तब एससीओबी का वेट नहीं करना होता, डायरेक्ट चौक और फ्लिप पे काम करना होता है. And same thing is repeating here. Push downside, taken out the inducement and mitigate anything, then you can trade. And this process of will be continue until to find a valid entry before the buy and sell. Section example. So session example I cover in a videos course section. Our target is higher time frame IDM, not our higher time frame IDM as a target when sweep the main higher low. In that case, you can set your target as an inducement.